Have you ever worked with a spreadsheet with a lot of data, but you wanted to hide some of it? Filters and filter views allow you to do just that. Let's see how in this fried tech fresh and tasty tip. A filter in Google Sheets allows you to see only data in your sheet based on certain criteria. For example, I can filter my data and only see the fourth grade staff members. To do that, I would go to Data, Create a Filter. At the top, notice these little filter icons would appear to allow me to filter that data. So I would click on Filter for grade level. Then I would go to Filter by Values. Since all of them are currently checked, all my data is showing, so I'm going to click Clear. Then I'm going to select just fourth grade. Then click OK, and my data is now filtered so I only see my fourth grade staff. You can also utilize this feature by clicking on the Filter button up on the toolbar. The downside of using this type of filter is that the data is filtered for all users of the sheet. If I add this filter on the spreadsheet and someone else opens it, they are only going to see fourth grade staff members listed and they may get confused because they don't see fifth, second, etc. Instead, we want to use filter views. So I'm going to remove the filter by clicking on the Remove Filter button, or I can also go to Data, Remove Filter. Filter views allow you to save your filters and will only filter data for your view without changing how others view the spreadsheet. So let's add in a filter view for fourth grade staff. We're going to go to Data, and instead of going to create a filter, we're going to go to Filter Views. You can also utilize the filter button on the toolbar by clicking on the little pirate flag with all the goodies underneath and click Create New Filter View. Notice at the top a gray bar appears, and this is how you can tell you are in a filter view. We're going to go ahead and name it because the filter view will get saved. Then I'm going to go to my filter just like I did before and filter our criteria to fourth grade. Now I'm the only one viewing this fourth grade filter. If someone else opens this sheet, they will see all of the data appear as normal. You can also go to the settings cog on the far right to make any additional changes to this filter. And to close the filter, you can click on that X on the far right hand side, or click on the filter button pirate flag and go to None, or go to Data, Filter Views, and choose None. So if I need to come back, anybody now can view that filter by going to Data, Filter Views, choosing fourth grade, or choosing that pirate flag next to the filter button and choosing fourth grade. Then you can go add additional filters for each of your other grade levels to quickly and easily filter the data. So the next time you need to filter data on a Google Sheet, remember this fresh and tasty tip and try out filter views instead of a filter.